You know what top 1% of crypto traders have that you might not have right now? A strategy that never relies on emotions. If you've been losing sleep, always checking at 3 a.m. whether Bitcoin has dumped or pumped, this is going to change everything for you. I'm going to show you the set and forget strategy. In literally 60 seconds, I'm going to screen record the exact 2 parameters that you need to enter for you to launch a grid bot that buys low and sells high automatically. Let's dive into the exchange right now. So first things first, what you need to do is you create an account on Binance. And if you want to have a discount on your trades and lower fees whenever you happen to push some trades, make use of the link that is in the description section. Now, when you're done, this is the interface that you're going to see upon logging in. So where do you have to go? You navigate to this section where it reads trade, and then you go to where it reads trading bots. After clicking there, you will land here. On this page, what you need to do is you click here where it reads spot grid, right? And then you click there. So from that page, you'll find yourself on this page. The next thing that you need to do is to set up your bot. If you want, since you're starting from the scratches, you can actually set it up using AI. That is, you use AI tools to actually set up your bot. Or you can go with popular, or you can go with manual, where you do it all by yourself. So now with popular, you can actually copy those bots that have actually been running by simply checking the parameters, and then you check on the period through which they have been running, how much profit has been made so far. So when you look at the first one, you notice that the profit and loss is 994. Then the one that follows is this one, which is 737. All these are running, right? You can also check on the return on investment, right? 2.61%, running time 3 days, okay? And minimum investment is $425. So far, the trades that have to be executed by this bot are 7. So far, 3 of them have actually been done, okay? So when you click here where it reads copy, you will now need to punch in the amount of money that you want to invest in this bot, right? And check this one out. You can punch in the amount. So if your balance is not sitting in the spot wallet, make sure that you transfer it to your spot wallet. Otherwise, your bot won't be launched. Okay, so once you get here, you will need to punch in the amount of USDT that you are investing, right, for this tool to actually launch. So here, when you punch anything, you'll be shown the minimum that you can actually invest. So let's do this. We punch in 4 to 56. Okay, so they're saying available insufficient, right? So you need to add, you can click the plus icon here, and you will be prompted to transfer the balance to your spot wallet. When that is done, you can now check here. You can now click here where it reads, okay. So since you're just copying, all the parameters have actually been set, like when to buy low, when to buy high, right? So this bot will actually be buying low and high, right? So once the market moves out of that range within which you've set it, the bot will stop functioning until the price moves back to that range, okay? So once you're set, you can now click here where it says sign terms. And then what you do is you check in this box and then hit confirm, and boom, your bot will be up and running. And just like that, you'll be good to go. So don't forget to make use of that link in the description section for you to walk away with the sign-up bonus and to be accorded lower trading fees as well as some trading discounts. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.